Ostrich no no. Can come is okay. I got him.
Wait for him.
Wait for him. And you no. Diko jide. Nka ka na atu ego.
Nka ka wa ostrich.
Oh, my God.
Go no.
Okora mama.
Go no do.
Hey. And you no. Jesus Christ. Take and go. Unu na-eri ma onwe ife na eri, ọ na-eri ife ọkọ na-eri ma
feed.
Afia. Ọ na-erikwa afia.
Yes, ọ na-eri feed.
Unu na-ata afia. Hey. Jesus. Hey. Enyu no. Nekwe ebe a. Ọ kakwa nkọ.
Oh, the fuck.
Hello guys, this is Creative Lord TV. We are live and direct in Ozubulu. Egbema Ozubulu. And this is our second time visiting this big industry. The reason is because if I forever degu and all because of Oyane Kokwe, this is Yvonne industry. They have Yvonne farm, Yvonne pure water, and Yvonne rice mill. Many things called Nemeba. Only Ebe Makobo, and then Ebe Makaro. And that's the reason why we are here to show people. Last time we showed you people some parts, but we could not show everywhere. Today we are in farm, Yvonne farm. This is a Yvonne farm. I got Baba Kunu Ulanya for what high forever. I will get Zena. Now, mother the niche. On if I'm able to go to do if didn't which is farm. What if another house wherever for people, those who are working here is from Ozubulu, igbo, buying before now wherever. I know who do ditch. Because of again, our corona maronia again, Batalia is not what is your people benefiting from your words? This is the reason why we always show you people. In the name if even doesn't even though when did you they go. So can I bataka from?
My name is Kingsley Chukwu.
Kingsley Chukwu.
Yes.
So can you phone the server?
Well, this is a bomb poultry. And as I say, Oko. Okay. Did the chiche here. Okay. Layers, Bella, and other animals. Even we have Iwenchi, Eba.
Panchi.
All of them, we have them here.
Cheba, layers, broiler.
Yes.
Okay, I have the layers.
Anyway, enough of it here. We have pigs.
Pigs
here, yes. Yes. And local and international dogs. We have
local and international ducks.
Yes, yes.
That's
Obogun. It was very nice local here. So we thank God for our CEO, Sylvester Benita.
Okay.
So he's really trying. Always woman, and we thank God for him by bringing this kind of investment in this community to help the people of this community. Okay. So I am very grateful to him, because this investment here benefits the community. And this is layer section. Layer section. Yes. Hey.
So Akwani never back also
yes.
This is live and direct now. Ozubulu. This farm is situated in Ozubulu by an Ozubulu man. If I go there, if I February, I'm not they had there. Jesus Christ. So a day now, okay, look how cool the how many crates?
I got 250, 240
every day.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
Only what are this investment here? Only people at heart.
Okay.
Only people at heart. So and this investment you see here, he did not establish this here just for him to help the poor people. To help the poor people, so that we have. If they were here that I'm on job, I am jobless before this.
Sorry. Okay. So you know, if like we are talking of money,
God has blessed our CEO already.
Okay.
But so many others along to help people.
Yes.
So and we are happy. Both the communities are very happy with him.
More than
yes, more than this. They cannot bring this kind of thing here in this surplus of Urezi. So most of them they establish it at Lagos, Kaduna, Kano, you understand? But what are here in order to help these people in this community. So we are very happy. So when we move to the other side, everybody with them Obogun, foreign one and local one.
Now.
Here, yes.
Hello viewers. I'm a veterinary doctor in charge of Blessed Evon Farms in Anambra, Ozobo, Anambra State, and I'm representing the veterinary unit because there is no way, if the foundation is wrong, definitely everything will collapse at the end of the day. So we are here taking care of the veterinary managemental procedures in a farm. If there is no veterinary doctor, definitely there will be a mess in a farm. Put what I'm telling you. So we are here to make sure that the investor will receive the reward of his investment. That is why we are walking around, going to different sections. Fish section, broiler section, gill section, laying section, so many sections, piggery section, to make sure that Evon Farm is one of the best, if not the best in Anambra State, or even Nigeria as a whole. So that is why we are here. You can see me in my regalia. I'm so much prepared to make sure that things are going well. So I greet you all. I thank you for your work and whatever you are doing. So thank you so much. My name is Dr. Obiwulu Ifeanyi from Anambra State.
Wow.
And equally by God's grace, I happen to be the head of veterinary doctors in Anambra State.
Serious.
Yes, thank you.
The section ebe Obogun.
Okay.
I'm with foreign one and local one.
That's foreign one.
Okay.
Foreign.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you know now foreign one. Yes.
Jesus Christ.
So that foreign one. Why this one is local one?
And the local.
Now local one.
Okay, that to slow go.
Can they buy?
Foreign or the second car and go and
so eba na igasi akwa na ono.
Okay.
Na ono eba na igasi akwa. Ana eyi akwa na azu. Anyị na-ekpopụta na eje na
if you to go back akwa obogu, bia ka ngosi akwa obogu. Na I met her. If I about akwa obogu, if I about akwa obogu. Oburu na need akwa obogu. Ibia na zo.
Yeah, so akwa anyị na-enwe akwa enough. Na-enwekwa na-ekpopụta ụmụ ya. Anyị na-elekwa ụmụ ya. So because of this now, they make in a very big way. Okay. People employ. Yeah, people employ. So then I roll about here and people are happy. Without him, he may pay this kind of thing. Many of us will be jobless. Wow. So what I go. So I'll try very well by bringing this kind of investment into this village. Not many people will do this. You will take inside village. So I only want to be very, very happy. So,
you know, for manage, if you manage an equeba, that's the young one are about happy. Young one the jobless before I was farmer, I've been a manager. Veterinary doctor, I meet only book. And if I know I'm not number called Nanibo, this is what is called a corona marine. So from the beginning, only I'm going that this man will get enough that no one from where you fall for. I'm not what if I got no weapon now, but not decide and all around over there. Yeah.
This section is about China. So you can see.
Oh my God! When you need to know, you don't need to.
It's one call.
It's just the van known Evon Farm or Zobolo. Jesus, what if you're not there? So if I get a bunch, and check it out, or I'm as in Kekos Amon.
When the time comes, over is Munga. Yes, as you can see, that's nearly two. Okay. Yes, one side.
Okay,
yes.
So when can get na Christmas mother chokwa.
Why?
Maka one of my guy bụ onye ozubula ebe a.
Si anya bịara, si anya bịara.
Ọ na-ata anụ nchide.
Si anya bịara ka ọ fụ ife onye Igbo ibe na-eme n'ime village. Which many of them take this kind of investment to Lagos, Abuja, Kaduna.
Oh, Diego. So I can't even, my statement is because no more wherever. Where kind of go see different what is good is good. Yes. Always promote what is good. Man, can say man. Kind of Jennifer de back.
Section about only if I know here.
Okay.
All Igbo. Enwere peacock, enwere ọpa, enwere ọgazi here. So I finish as you
can see.
Yes, as you can see. And
oh, come on,
even now, from Israel. It's foreign. This one, this particular one.
Oh, Israel, Israel. Oh,
yes. It's not Nigeria. We local one.
Well, this fowl, yes. Is from Israel. Yes. This is foreign fowl. Yes. Yes. Jesus. Okay, okay. Difference. If all foreign one, they go to Jesus Christ. Maybe guy. So peacock. So man, it's a peacock now. Oh, man, chigo. Yes, I call you a time of peacock.
I don't know. Okay. Very soon now.
Okay, Israel never.
Yes.
Okay, Nigeria never. Okay, not have nah, Jesus Christ. Okay, because you go to more car, now hey, on a powerful. You can't see another oko. See another oko. See another oko. But more car, Jesus Christ. Sometimes you will be thinking, why? Okay, different not anyway to everything had a difference. Yes, I tell you. Another section.
Hey. Another section. About now I'm going to talk here.
To making younger
and pigs. I'm raising here.
Look at how white one.
Yes.
Dig. This is one of the biggest farming in Anambra State. As for now. Amazing. Look at amazing. Jesus Christ. Cow big one.
Yeah.
Cow yeah, Jenso. Huh? Ora mmadụ. Mana it's amazing man the come with aka. Yeah? Everybody way.
Okay.
Everybody way. Yeah? Ezigbo. Hey! So you know about e back it am surprise. Nke about everything it chọrọ gbasara farming there back. Nakwa another one.
Nda n'uche nda akademe.
If I'm one,
how can they now on this side?
Okay.
So when them waffle.
Oh, when them waffle.
Nda na ba them waffle.
Chineke. And I found it's easy double trouble. If you want to buy pig, if you're in a Christmas, so not like I'm easy. In there, but you can wait here. Now, okay, okay, you can wine. Okay, you can cancel a carries and dibia.
No, I'm told you got a mother now.
Okay, I'm wondering now.
The same day come with Chadini.
Oh, Jesus Christ. If I ever,
that's right.
And you know,
that's right.
But mother for ya quite now.
That foreign
oh, come on
here. Just like the other one.
They're going to from Agoma. The walk. Come on, ostrich there, but she's even ostrich. No, can you come miss? Okay, I got him.
Wait for him.
Wait for him. And you know, because you did. You can't not to go.
Because ostrich.
Oh, my God,
go no.
Mama, do. Hey, and you know, Jesus Christ. Think I go. Who na-eri ma ọ nwere ifo na-eri ọ na-eri ife ọkọ na-eri ma afia ọ na-erikwa afia
yes ọ na-eri feed
nnu na-ata afia hey Jesus enyu nnu nekwe ebe a ọ kakwa nkụ enyu nnụnụ so kedu ife eji azụkwa ife ọkọ na-eri ka ya na-eri
ife ọkọ na-eri ka ya dị iche kapasitari afia area
ọ na-atakwa ya
na-ata
ọ na-enye nsogbu
ma ọ dị nsogbu
ma mụbere nwa enwe nwoke ebe a na nwe nwaanyị.
Yes. Nke ni okay. There go on one.
Ọkwa akwa ka ọ na-eyi ya nwa.
Yes, yes.
So mgbe ya ka ọ ga-akpọtụrụ anyị ka anyị fụ ka anyị fịa.
Ka etu o si adị.
Ka anyị fụ otu o si adị. Maka nke a bụ enyi ụlọ. Nkwa ka nsị adị ka nsị ọ bụzi. Oh, wow.
Okay. Section ebe a bụ for broiler. Life now broiler. So this season, this Christmas. So you want to tell broiler. Here. So all this one is for this season, this Christmas.
So all the ready that Christmas.
Yes.
In a big, baby.
Yes. We are ready for this season. So you want to tell them we have enough here. Now broiler for sale.
Jesus. This is massive, man. So this is a Yvonne fish pond. Eba the section and that's what the is in thousands. If you have size by size, about 3 sizes, medium, they're small, no medium, bigger and bigger, bigger. So if you know, so every time the bone of Zobolo, I will come in on if you can Anambra State is something where you go as more as it's costly. Just find yourself a Von industry. You whether any kind of fish in affordable price because I know that is for sale. You know what I mean? You have to buy in affordable prices. You know, fair enough. Nenu, if I get a bone of Zobolo, or you name me for 1 for. I don't know if I anywhere in the world or cho or go man over to no matter the Boba. If I negotiable, if I the man anya this is massive, man. I have to praise on your refa. Makana work come as na chuga gozi madna bro. Iwelu ife iweta. Onde on error on work or fana weta from you. This is what we prefer. Nenazon. Clean. Killing the fish. You know, that's all. This is also also Anambra State. In Afia yeah, to come about it about. Can happy that run. Never can say that. Yeah, Afia. As well, the go. This is life and direct. If I remember, enough. Yvonne fish pond. They far. Also, Anambra State. Never. So now. I don't have to say much if I want Yvonne industry. Yvonne industry is because of Yvonne industry were many things. If I want side the fish, I'm going to take it out. I can't fair. I try to fast one and car brown and you say you fear. Yeah. Wait. You are fair. So yeah, now about Ondo Mazna or this guy is working here and Eba Kosi what if phone is very bright enough. Then can go right. As I basigo, the level no Zobol Anambra State. Clean. But magical zo, manju naka. Oh, come. Is a bite, eh?
Not really.
Is a bite? So these people are working here, and if I can't do well, you will need to you people now around for them. This is empowerment. If I can, madden on a pulpit, may preach. Check it out. This is actually kind of book. But I get money no way to tell and this is what do we even blessed Benita now? So many other ways to go in on my own music, but I just anyway direct. This is the reason why they may let you fair and the matter of fair. You want to go? You know, any routine that he feel no matter what. If I never this is empowerment. And may God bless him wherever he is.